Hello everyone. I am really very excited to share with you this video. Welcoming you all to my class E850 in the morning and E851 in the afternoon. Both of these classes are advanced ELA classes, and in this summer we are meeting in Zoom once a week on Tuesday. For the morning class will be from 8:50 to 9:50 every Tuesday. And for the afternoon class, E851 class will be from 12:50 to 1:50. Again, it will be on Tuesday. And I will try my best to be available online to answer your questions. If you need help, it will be, for the morning class, it will be like from 12 to 12:30 in conference or in Canvas chat. And for the afternoon class will be from 2 to 2:30, same day. So let me repeat myself. For the morning class, the Zoom meeting will be from 8:50 to 9:50 every Tuesday in summer 2020. And for the afternoon will be from 12:50 to 1:50. And the optional Canvas chat or Canvas conference or even Zoom for the virtual office hours for the morning will be from 12 to 12:30. And for the afternoon class will be from 2 to 2:30. Thank you very much, and I'm very pleased to see you all in this summer quarter 2020 class. Thank you.